कर्नाटक कांग्रेस के सीनियर लीडर सीएम इब्राहिम जल्द पार्टी छोड़ सकते हैं। उन्होंने आज मीडिया से बात करते हुए कहा कि मैं 10 दिन के अंदर फैसला लूंगा। उन्होंने ये भी कबूल किया कि वो ममता बनर्जी, अखिलेश यादव और दिगर के राब्ते में हैं और पार्टी छोड़ने के हवाले से जल्द फैसला ले सकते हैं।
When there is no respect, when the party has taken a different view, now today what is all India level, why people are leaving? North India, now from South it started now. A man like Ghulam Nabi Azad, Kapil Sibal, they have all resigning and coming out. And so we can't. My fault is I am a Muslim. I don't have CBI inquiry. I don't have ED case. I don't have money. So that's why today I have to be in this position. What Kapil Sibal has told, what Ghulam Nabi has told, even what Veerup Moily has told, I am telling today. Because they can't go anywhere. There is no route for them. But we are free birds. We are from the people. I am going back to the people. I have not come from up. I have come from the grassroots. I am in touch with Devegowda ji, I am in touch with Mamta Banerjee, Akhilesh Yadav, all, everybody, because I have worked in the central government, I was attached. But we will give a concept, Karnataka first we are looking after. Karnataka, we will bring a good government.
फिलहाल इसी के साथ रुकेंगे छोटी सी ब्रेक के लिए, कुछ और खबरों के साथ जल्द लौटेंगे।